Greetings, fellow traders. Bubbling here. It's time for the Lunchtime Market Update for Tuesday, August the 26th, 2020. I hope everybody's having a great trading day today. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research, and everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice, so please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. Good. All right, let's check and see where the market here today. So SPX up 26 points. Look at that monthly candle. Huge green. What Corona crash, right? So completely reclaimed. Fresh all-time highs. Weekly chart. Again, two open gaps on the weekly right here. So now we're pretty strong here on the weekly chart. Again, good follow-through from yesterday's hammer candle and fresh all-time highs today. Let's take a look at the SPY and see how it's behaving here with volume. Volume still pretty low here today, but it doesn't matter. It still keeps grinding its way up, right? 15-minute chart, right? We pointed out this triangle here pre-market, right? We got out of here, 15-hour breakout, and holding the 80 MA up. It is what it is. That's how price goes, right? So let's take a look at the S&P futures. See how that behaves right here. So this is a good one. We pointed out some strong moves on the ES here today. Whoops, Starbucks just kind of snuck in there. We pointed out some strong moves on the ES today. We like how it broke it through the prior all-time highs. We like this inside 5 up, which we wrote up for a bit here, and gave a nice move on the S&P futures. Let's take a look at the MES and check our trend lines out. Again, that triangle breakout here on the intraday was good, right? Corresponding with the 15-hour level right here for a nice move up today. And here, still holding trend here going into the afternoon. So let's see how that holds for the rest of the day. Again, very, very bullish, right? This is fun, right? When we're at these all-time highs, it's tough because there's not a lot of major levels up here, right? And so this price discovery, so you really have to rely on your candles like this, inside 5 up. These candles right here with big volume, right? Nice closing candles here with good volume. It's the only way to do it, right? Because there's no other levels to contend with, right? So now we're coming back, we're retesting level. We have another inside 5 up here with some increased volume. So really cool stuff there. Let's take a look at the Qs. Obviously super duper strong today. Got really tight at the open, right? And then finally broke out of the 15 orb range today, right? Look at that. Double inside 15 up. About as simple as it gets, right? So holding the 80 MA as well. The IWM not doing so well, but it's all about tech today, right? The big names, right? This time you got your Netflix, you got your Facebook carrying the market as names like Apple are a little bit sluggish, right? There was a nice reversal on it, gave a good opportunity for an upside move on Apple, but definitely not as good as some of the other ones. Tesla, again, a decent move at the open right here, gave a nice pop. Members did well on that one today, so good work on that. Facebook, guys, this is one that we liked at the open. We pointed out several nice moves at the open. Facebook was a good one that was looking like it'd have some more upside. This is our trade of the week this week from our newsletter. If you're not a member, definitely check it out. It's we got some great ideas. We got lots of cool other features in the group too. The Discord, we do a morning report where we talk about stuff that looks strong like this, and of course we go live at the open where we looked at Facebook with that nice consolidation here. You can see we got a kind of a bull flag there. They gave a breakout this morning. Another one that we looked at this morning and pointed out was Netflix. Okay, so we liked that this morning. We like how it was kind of working its way up here. Everything was bullish on it. We got a huge move up in the 15-minute chart. Even the 5-minute chart was good, and a great job on Netflix. We've got members that are in and out of this all day today, doing great on it. Amazon even gave a nice pop here too, right? Got real consolidated. Once it broke through all-time highs, it gave a big pop. And again, we were expecting this. We talked about it over the weekend. We've been talking about it every day that the flow in tech is still strong, but the big flow is in names like Apple and Tesla. So now Tesla is still decent here, but some of those other names like Facebook, Netflix, and even Amazon that really didn't get that flow last week are starting to get it today, and really, really impressive stuff. Oh, and Roku. Roku is strong today too. I mean, just 80 MA day on this one here as well, and working its way up all the way. These are levels we provide to our members, working its way all the way up here to this 165 level for our closing gap above. So beautiful stuff there. And then finally, just another one too, Home Depot. This is one we keep an eye on the radar for. It was on our bullish radar as the hurricanes get strong for the hurricane rally. So nice move on Home Depot today. So we got some good chart requests out there. So CRM, obviously super duper bullish from the open, cleared all the pre-market levels, held the 80 MA up today. Great volume today, huge institutional buying. Just an awesome wave to ride on that one today. So looking good right there. Let's see how it closes today. Workhorse got some nice follow through with some members that swung that last night and took profit this morning. Good thing they did, because what did we talk about Workhorse last night? It'll break your heart, right? So it did it this time here, broke your heart. This one right here broke your heart, right? So these are ones, crazy names like this one, you just got to take profit on it, right? So those are ones we look at right there. But again, with CRM being up, right, it helped names like Microsoft, which normally helps the other software names, but Adobe was on our bullish radar this morning. We pointed it out to the group today, and a beautiful gap and go on Adobe thanks to CRM, right? Just a beautiful move on that one as well. PayPal, there's an interesting one here too. I believe PayPal had a few nice pops today, nice inside 15 up out of the 15 orb high, so a strong move on that one. Pfizer, Pfizer, guys, coming off of the Dow Jones Industrial Average, so they gave a nice move down this morning. 15-hour breakdown below yesterday's lows. Right now, it's starting to hold these levels here as support, but it did give a nice short opportunity on that one. So just kind of keep an eye on it and see how it goes. And then finally, NEO. How's that one doing today? So NEO, wow, big gap up and go today. So great follow through from yesterday's candle. Again, stronger than a workhorse type name. This one actually trades a little bit better. So this triangle breakout did get a gap up, and we got a gap and go on this one today. So again, it wasn't easy, right? So it came back down to 15-hour levels, right? So a quick pop right here, but it did give some very, very tactical price action, which we expected, but looking really strong on the daily chart still. So we'll see if that turns into a pause day today, or what the case is going into the rest of the afternoon. So good stuff, guys. I really appreciate the chart requests, and I hope you guys found this helpful. I hope everybody has a great rest of your trading day. Stay healthy out there, and remember your risk first, and stay safe so you can stay in the game. And I'll talk to you guys soon.